morning, student.
Good morning,
Today,
sir.
you see here, this is a chart paper of pH color chart paper. Okay, this is pH chart paper here. In middle it is a neutral is there. Okay, neutral means 7.08 form. That is a what? Water we can say freshly distilled water is there form in 7.0. When we come from the less than 7 means it comes from the this way here. So less than 7 it form the what? Acidic in nature. When we come from here like 1, 2, 3. So when you come from 1, 2, it form what? Strong acid is there. When you go little bit here 5, 6, it shows what?
Weak
acid is there. So we know that when we come from 7 to down means 1 to 3. That is what shows here? Acidic in nature. And when you go from above the 7s, more than 7, it's also here basic in nature. So you come here, we have a blood, sea water, baking soda, milk of magnesia, shop water, household analyzer. So these are the things here. 13 to 14 scale, pH scale is there. It shows here strong base. Strong base we have NaOH and KOH. That is also known as the caustic soda and caustic potash is there. Then it comes with the 9, 8 and till 7 to 8. It comes what? Weak base is there. So weak base we have ammonium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide. So this is the pH scales indicator is there. So when you come from less than 7, it shows the acidic character. When you come from more than 7, it shows the basic in nature. And it comes in the neutral state. That from what? Neutral state, and that from the water is 7.0. So this is the pH scale, and also you can just to come and one student come and explain that what is this. Okay.
Good morning everyone, myself Sana, and today I am going to discuss on the topic the pH color chart. So this is the pH color chart, and we all know that if the pH lies less than 7, then it turns acidic in nature. We can check whether the solution is acidic or basic by the help of pH scale. So if the pH scale turns 7, then it is neutral. For example, we have freshly distilled water, and if the pH lies less than 7, as we come from 7 less than 7, 6, 5, 4, then they are weak acids. And if we come more less, then it forms 3 to 1 and it is strong acids. But if we go more than 7, then it forms base and the color turns bluish and bluish. So if it comes 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, then it is weak alkali. We have more examples, that is calcium hydroxide and ammonium hydroxide. And when we come from after 10, there is 10, 12, 13, 14. So it forms strong alkali. We have many examples like caustic potash and caustic soda. So with the help of pH scale, we can identify where the solution is acidic or basic. Thank you.